In this video, we can focus on how to set up a holiday calendar. In this, we are fixing the mandatory holidays for the company. To set up a holiday calendar for your company, go to Company Setup. Click on Holiday Calendar. First, create holiday group. For this, click the New button. Enter holiday group name. Then, select the group name. Go to Holiday New button. Give holiday name. Then, select the date from the calendar. Enter description. Then, save. Like this, you can create list of holidays. If you want to see the holidays list year-wise, you can select from here. Like this, you can create different types of holiday groups here. If you want, you are having option to edit and remove also. Thank you.